Hello friends, I am Sarabjit, founder and CEO of Fateh Rural Private Limited. I have been into rural marketing from the last 20 years. I am here to share my experience with you. I have written my experience in a book, Rural Market Unleashed. Rural Market Unleashed book contains three parts: why rural, strategies, and the outcome. In Why Rural, I have discussed about the rural market ins and outs, about the factors influencing the rural marketing, as well as the rural marketing opportunities available for you guys in the near future. In strategies, I have talked about multiple strategies which can be used in the rural market for the success of your brand. It also contains a 360-degree marketing and sales model. I believe marketing should be connected directly to the sales. The return on investment should be calculated on the basis of the sales only. What are the challenges which have to be overcome in rural India? I have discussed about the future of rural market. I have discussed about the digital marketing, the call centers, as well as the artificial intelligence. The impact of artificial intelligence on rural marketing in the coming days. So I have tried to cover almost every part in rural market in this book. Just grab a free e-sample by clicking on the link below. Grab the free sample of Rural Market Unleashed by logging on sarabsays.com. Log on to this site and get your free sample copy today. Hope you'll find it interesting. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.